I told them, I said, this isn't true, but I said, I've only bought $400. You've taken 200 off me, I've got nothing left.
Should I ever love again? Or should I stay as I am? Love's had me in such a spin. Should I ever love again?
Okay. Well, it's Saturday night and I just got paid. Screwed up my money, I don't try to save. Work that girl, go have a night. Saturday night, baby, I feel I'm gonna ring it up. Gonna rock it up. Gonna shake it up. Gonna ball it up. Gonna rip it up. And ball tonight. Well, I got me dating, it won't be late. Good golly, Miss Mike. Make sure your mic is set up. Michael, we're switching back and forth on the lead vocals, darling. Michael.
Yes.
Oh, you're right here. You know, I don't have my glasses on. Sorry, Dorothy. I look like an old granny with them on, so I'm not wearing them right now. Don't plan to wear them later either.
You need more or?
I think this is good for me, and I think it's good for Jerry, don't you, Kenny? I think it's good for me and my brother.
Okay.
And you can hear yourself.
You're fine. Oh,
And you're out front.
okay.
We're switching back and forth. She's doing the lead vocal on some of the songs, and I'm lead vocal on the others.
Okay, no problem. I'll see it.